Your phone slides off the console.
Whoops.
And falls at your feet. It drops off the dash and gets stuck between seats. Don't let your phone take the fall. Get the new FastBall. It's the magnetic mount that holds any device tight. FastBall combines a steel ball and magnetic socket to create the ultimate media mount. Now you can adjust your phone 360 degrees to any angle, any position, and your phone stays securely in place. Then releases with a light tug. Look, a ball and socket is the most stable articulating joint in the human body. Now there's the FastBall socket for your phone. Just pick your spot and stick it up. Then place the ultra-thin magnetic disc on the back of your phone or case. It adjusts and holds in any viewing angle. Perfect for hands-free calling or video chats.
Hey, how's it going?
Streaming your music. Or swivel for GPS maps.
Turn right.
Watching movies, even shooting video too. Look, vent mounts are flimsy. Suction cup mounts always let go. But the FastBall mounts easily anywhere you like, in the perfect viewing position. And it holds on tight. FastBall won't let go until you say so. It's the perfect mount for tablets too. FastBall is the greatest all-purpose mount you'll ever own. Call and get the incredible FastBall for just $19.99, complete with a stainless steel ball and magnetic socket. But wait, call right now and we'll double it to 2, absolutely free. No fees, 100% free. That's 2 FastBall mounts for just $19.99. Don't let your phone take the fall. Get the new FastBall. Call now.